So now in this subject, we are going to create a lookalike of this audience. Now, what do you mean by lookalike? So in this case, there were 43 people who visited Liam's funnel page 1, right? Now, when you create a lookalike audience, Facebook will give you the option. Facebook will give you an audience which would be a similar audience, which would have a similar behavior. Just like the people who visited on your Liam's funnel, it will give you an audience of people who have a similar behavior with the whose Facebook profile has a similar behavior, just like the 43 people who had a behavior on their Facebook profile. So in that case, just click create audience on the left hand side, right? You see lookalike audiences, right? Now click lookalike audiences. Now in this case, you can build lookalike audiences, right? So you need to select the audience. Now click that, select an existing audience, the step 1. The box, click in that box at the top, the first one, the box.
Okay.
Yep, click that box. You see, you will be able to see basically default offline event set, Leona add accounts pixel, right? Now click Leona add account pixel 1. Okay, now click create new source. Now custom audience. Okay, so basically no, just click custom audience there. Okay, it just took you back. Just go back to create audiences. Okay, no, we have to create lookalike audiences, not custom audience. Click that drop down and then select lookalike. Select lookalike. All right. Now here, please click in that box. All right.
This one.
Now you just have to, okay. Can you click that custom audience button? Create new source and click custom audience. And then click custom audience. Yep. Okay, it's taking you here. Click website. Click website. Okay, we want to create a lookalike audience basically, because I'm unable to control your computer. That's why we're getting confused. Please X this out. All right, just check this box for this June 1 Liam's funnel page 1. Check this box. Right now, click the create audience drop down. Right now, click lookalike. Right here, just click there, click in that box. Now click other sources. Click other sources. Now here it says June 1 Liam funnel page 1. Now select that. Right. Now this is where you select your particular custom audience by clicking other sources. Now you see it gives you the option 0%, 1%, 2%, 3%. Now understand, if you basically the farther you go, the less it would be a lookalike, right? Now if you select 0 to 1%, that means these people would be up to 1, like these people would be more lookalike, right?
Yeah.
So 1% is close relatives, 2% is you know, far more than close relative, 3% is far relatives, 4% is even further relatives. It's just understand it in this way, right? So 1% is the close relatives to your audience, right? Now come scroll down. Now click create audience.
With the 1%, right?
Yeah, 1%, create audience. So lookalike 1% of June's of this funnel. Your audience is ready, right? So size varies. This size will increase to somewhat something, right? But because your first custom audience was quite low, like it's recommended to have at least 200 events for your first custom audience. But in this case, you just created a lookalike. Now let me tell you something. let's say when you create an ad and let's say maybe 100 people purchase your product, right? Now you
Yeah.
will create a custom audience of those 100 people, that is like 100 purchasers, right? And when you create a lookalike audience of those 100 purchasers, Facebook will give you another awesome lookalike audience of purchasers only. Are you getting my point? So
Yeah.
whatever custom audience you create, it will be a lookalike. And when you create the lookalike of that custom audience, it will be a lookalike of those people. If you create a custom audience of freebie seekers, and then if you create a lookalike of freebie seekers, you will get freebie seekers lookalike. But if you create an audience of purchasers, you will get a lookalike of purchasers. Is simple enough,
Yeah.
right?
Understand.
So this is how you are going to create a lookalike audience, and this is what where I would like to finish this particular subject.